how to start planning big life goals one sip at a time. Long-term goals like buying a home, funding a child's education, or planning a wedding can seem distant, but breaking them into monthly systematic investment plans makes them achievable. It starts with clarity. Define the goal, timeline, estimated cost, factoring in inflation, and use a systematic investment plan calculator to set your investment amount. For example, 15,000 rupees per month over 20 years can potentially fund 93 lakh rupees for education, while 45,000 rupees per month over 10 years can help buy 78 lakh rupees home. The key isn't timing the market, but starting early and staying consistent. Compounding does the heavy lifting when you stay invested. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.